Today's sound is another bouncy sound, and it's the sound k-k-k-k-k. Your turn. K-k-k-k-k. K-k-k-k-k. Well done. Now let's have a little look at our picture cards. Today we have a picture of a k-k-k-k clown. Well done. And we have some k-k-k-k carrots. Excellent. Ooh, this looks delicious. K-k-k-k cake. And one more. We have a picture of, oh, it's upside down. K-k-k-k cap. Excellent. Well, today we need a caterpillar to help us to do the k sound. So I'm going to draw the caterpillar on the board. And we're going to say k-k-k-k caterpillar. How are we going to make him look like a caterpillar? Well, I think he's going to come right round. He's going to have some legs. I think caterpillars have lots of legs. And there's some eyes. There we go. Our caterpillar. Now, ready? We need to say k-k-k-k caterpillar. Excellent. Once more. K-k-k-k caterpillar. Now I'm going to write the k sound, and we need to say k-k-k-k-k. Now here's our picture card. We have the caterpillar and the k sound. So let's see if they're the same. K-k-k-k caterpillar. K. Caterpillar. K. Okay, let's see if you can remember which one. Is it the picture of the caterpillar or is it the sound k? Caterpillar. This time, k. One more. Which one is it going to be? It's going to be the k sound. Excellent. Now then, here is our k sound, and we need to add it to our pile of sounds that we already know. So that's right, goes into the middle, and when we see it, we stop and point. Okay, so we're going to start with t. Did you point? Excellent. Caterpillar. Oh. D. And back to T. Oh, right, let's see if we can go faster this time. You have to be quick with your pointing because I'm not going to stop. T. S. A. E. P. Good. K. Well done. Ah, d, t. There we go. Back to the beginning. Excellent. So, before we can practice writing, we need to do some air writing, and we need to learn the phrase that's going to help us form the k sound. And we need to say, curl around the caterpillar. You can see how he curls, can't you? So, finger in the air. Let's hear you. Curl around the caterpillar. What does he need to do? Curl. Are you ready? Curl around the caterpillar. Once more, all together. Curl around the caterpillar. Excellent. Right then, I'm going to see if I can do some on my board. I'm going to try and keep them all the same size. And you're going to practice at home on your paper or your board. Okay? And I want to hear you saying it. Curl around the caterpillar. 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 There we go. And I'm very pleased with my K. I hope you're pleased with yours. If you want to practice some more, you can pause the video and do as many as you would like. Now then, we need to do some speed writing. And that means we need to make sure we can remember how to form all the other sounds we've learned. So we should quickly rub these out and we will think of some of the other sounds. Oh, I know. How about we do Can you remember how to do it? Down, Nobby, over the net. Excellent. P. Down the pirate, back up and round his face. Oh, I know. G. So what do we say? Round the girl's head, up her and down her curl. Excellent. Well done, everybody. Lovely writing. Keep it up. Now then, Fred is here and I think he has been thinking of some words with our K sound. Have you been thinking of some words with K sound, Fred? Yes? Oh, great. Tell me the first one. Right. K, A, P. Cap. Well done. Remember, Fred can't push them together. So we need to push them together to make the word. K, A, T. Cat. You're so good at this now. One more, Fred. K, A, N. Can. Well done. And do you know what I think we should say? I can do my sounds with Fred. Well done, everybody. See you next time.